It only needs to be picked out, copied, and then pasted into Google Docs. The only thing left to do after creating your output with ChatGPT is to sell it for $5, $10, or even $20. You only need to complete the assignment once, and you may sell it often to bring in a stream of passive cash. The best thing is that it simply takes 5 minutes to make with ChatGPT. In this video, you will discover how to copy and paste using ChatGPT. You are certainly aware of what a great chatbot ChatGPT is. For instance, if I want to know what the best ideas from a book are, all I have to do is ask ChatGPT what the book's top 10 best ideas are. The best inferences from any book can be made fast and simply without ever having read it. ChatGPT will answer straight quickly and provide you with a plot synopsis, even if you just want to read up on some history. You probably don't think about all of these things because you clicked on this video to discover how to make money online. According to ChatGPT, selling goods and services online is the best way to make money online. Providing freelancing services is another. Working as an affiliate marketer is also an option. Sell online courses is also a good way to make money. As you can see, ChatGPT lists selling digital goods like ebooks or courses as one of the best ways to make money online. After I've taught you how to use ChatGPT to build an ebook, I'll teach you just how to turn your ebook into cash. You only need to make it once and sell it frequently to generate passive money. Let me show you how to use ChatGPT to write a wonderful ebook in just 5 minutes. Before we begin creating your ebook, you must have an idea for it. What ebook ought to be created with ChatGPT? If you want to make money selling ebooks, you must first sell what customers are willing to purchase. Learn about the most well-liked non-fiction book categories. We'll just use ChatGPT to help you do the research, even if you don't have any ideas about what kinds of ebooks you want to create and sell. What are the popular categories for a non-fiction book? Is what I'll type. Writing a book that nobody would want to buy would be a waste of time. As you can see, we cover a wide range of fascinating ideas, including those related to business and finance, self-help and personal development, history, science, and technology. We can just ask ChatGPT to make more recommendations if you want more. If you believe that this list of 10 is insufficient, just ask ChatGPT to keep thinking of fresh suggestions. In this situation, we selected self-help and personal development because it seemed intriguing. The norm will be ebooks that offer guidance and counsel on topics like productivity, relationships, and self-improvement. Self-help and personal development is a vast category. If you want to acquire even better ideas for a non-fiction book, ask ChatGPT to suggest the subtopics to us so we can have a more specialized ebook. We don't simply publish an ebook about business and finance because that would be too general, too vague, and too hard to market. Ask ChatGPT to come up with some more excellent ideas for us. This will provide you with a far better idea for your ebook when we wait for ChatGPT to inform us of some of the popular subtopics. What are the subtopics for this category, self-help and personal development, to be written? Self-help and personal development include topics including goal setting and motivation, time management, interpersonal skills, stress management, creativity, leadership, and self-care. Simply decide what piqued your interest. We employ time management as an example. We're ready to start authoring the ebook now. First, let's request an outline from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will organize the book for you. After walking you through each chapter and presenting you with the table of contents, they will arrange the book in the order you choose. These chapters are all present and are organized rationally. These topics are followed by an introduction and a summary of time management in Chapter 1. Choose the book's outline from the ChatGPT area, then return to Google Docs and paste the outline you have copied there. We already have the outline for the full book. We'd want ChatGPT to start putting the booklet together for us. Now all you have to do is sell your PDF. Go to Gumroad.com. You can easily sell your PDF here. It is a great place and you can make easy money from this method. That's it for today. Please share and subscribe. And hit the bell icon for more such videos.